Hi everybody, we are going to be going over the differences here between a drawing, which you see over here on this side, and a printing plate over here. So basically I get a lot of students who are thinking that, well, I've drawn all this information, so I'm good, my project is finished, and I'm just going to do a crayon rubbing really fast to show you what will actually show up when you're printing. So I'm just taking the side of a crayon and I am going over top of my project. And as you can see, what is coming into play here is just the outline of the building. There is absolutely no details on there. So that means you need to make those details. And you can do a variety of different things, which I'll show you in just a second. And then those are the things, these other details that you add on or cut out, these are what is going to show up in your print. So, again, I'm doing just another crayon rubbing, and you'll see lots more details are already showing up in my project here. You will need to manipulate your crayon around to get everything to show up, just like you see me doing. But it gives you a little bit of an idea of what your project will look like when we use actual ink instead of just a crayon. This is just a practice. So a lot more detail here is showing up. So what kind of details did I add on here? Well, first of all, you have to have your title on. And remember that your lettering needs to be in backwards and in reverse order, like what you see here. Then, when I'm going to add my things on, if I have this, now it's really hard to see right now, but I actually cut out the doorway here. So this is going to be a cut to reveal. And when it lines up like that, I have a hole that will print. So that is one of the things that you can do, is called cut to reveal. Another thing that you can do is called explode. So here's the other side of my pyramid here. And instead of having it attached like this, I'm just going to cut it off and move it over a little bit, like so. Leaving a little gap, that is cut to reveal. And then your last option that you have is layering. So I can take another piece of cardboard and I can add it on top to create a detail. I could explode this also, and I still have a cut to reveal right here. So these are the three things that you can use. You need to choose two of them on your project. There is one more, but I really do not recommend that you do it, and that is with glue. You would only do this at the very end of the class. If you have like just one more line to do, then you would add a glue line. So you see that I have here, I have layering here. All my yellow things are layered. I have cut to reveal in here. And then this is all of my explode. All these black lines are actually where I separated everything. And the pink lines are where I use the glue. And it worked out really well here on these straight lines. It does not work out well here because the glue runs a little bit. It spreads as it dries. So I have weird little lines here. So that's why I don't recommend that you use the glue. But in a pinch, at the very end of class, if you quickly need to get some lines done, that is what you can do. So again, we have our layering, exploding, cut to reveal, and then if you have to, your glue. So you need to choose two. Glue does not count as one. So good luck in finishing out your projects, and I hope this little video helps.